All right, everyone, welcome my subscribers, viewers, and everyone. All right, so today I'll be doing a very simple thing that most students find a bit complex. It's vectors. Basically, the introduction to vectors. And as you can see here, vector has two things. It must have these two things. It must have magnitude and direction. All right. So magnitude basically means size, and we know what direction means, right? Whichever direction it's going, whether north, east, north, south, north, west, and all of those things, right? So let us see we have over here. Let me use this. And how this reads, it reads from A to B. All right. So it reads, yeah, we call it something here, comma. I record something, comma, please. Let me I'm recording something, call me back. Who was on? I'm recording. All right, guys. So back to that. All right. As I was saying, this reads from A to B. All right. So let us first look at our first example. Say we were given this vector is say, for argument, say 2, 3. All right. So it's all about magnitude and direction. So let us say we're gonna start from this point right here. You can start anywhere because it's not a position vector. No, position vector is where you have to start at the origin or the point 0, 0. But it's not a position vector, so we're just gonna start. What this 2 represents is actually the x. And this represents the y. Now, if you know the Cartesian plane, to the right of the origin, you have positive numbers. To the left, you have negative numbers. That's the x. So the x runs from left to right. And then now you have the y up and down, right? So up, if you're going up, that's positive. If you're going down, that's negative. All right, so it says 2 positive. So what you're going to do is to move 2 place to our right. So this is 1. We're going to use each box as our guide. So that's 1, 2. All right, so we're at this point now. Now we're gonna go 3 up because this is positive. All right, let me even change it in because I want people to know I want people to see what's up, what's up, I could use a different color. All right, so now we're gonna go 3 place up. So this is 1, 2. How you got now use a double line? Let me see. So this is 1, 2, 3 right here, right? So now, to get the vector, what we're actually doing is we're going to match. So this is a point A. I should have pointed out that earlier. This is our starting point, right? So we move 2 places to our right, and then we're going to go 3 up because 3 is positive, right? So it's 1, 2, 3. Now what we do is draw the line from A, which is the starting point, to the end point, right? But we have to show where we started and where we're heading. So we start at A and we finish at B. And that's the vector A to B. All right. So here we have how many units to move? Very good, 2. And on this side, we move 3 units. All right. Let us look at an answer. We're gonna put some negatives in there. Let us say call this one CD. And it's the vector from C to D. Let's say we have -1 and +4. Oh, by the way, guys, you know, if you hit the like button if you know. I'm going to know like the video. All right. So CD, let's just put this as our starting point right here. All right. So we're gonna start right here. So that is C. Where do we go from here? X. This is our X. And it moves, it's negative. So we're gonna move one place to our left. Remember the Cartesian plane? I'm gonna do that at the end of the video because some persons might not know it. All right. So we move one place to our left. Then now we check this one and it's 4, +4. So it means we must go 4 places up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right there. And we gonna draw a line from the starting point. Notice this is the vector that I'm actually drawing now. What are we so? No, stop. So we need to have to do it. A joke thing. Alright. So that's the vector C from B. Basically, this is our route, right? Because it's like a right down on a journey, right? And then we go up. So it went one place to our left and 4 places up, right? Let us look at the next one. Let us see EF. You got my son Sanjay Bennett, large. Prince Sanjay Bennett as a father king. And let us say we have positive at the front and then negative. Guys, I hope you guys see what Mr. Bennett doing, right? I'm giving you all the possible scenarios. So first we have 2 positive. We look at when X is negative and Y is positive. Now we're looking at when X is positive and Y is negative. Where do you guys want to start? Let us start right here. I'm gonna try and color it up. Hey, you can call me back, please. My record something. Oh, give me about 15 minutes. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. All right, guys, you know already. All right, so we're gonna start at E, right? And we go to our X. Our XA move to our right. Once it's positive, the XA move to right. When it's positive, the XA move to right. When it's positive, it's positive. When it's negative, we move to our left. When X is negative, we move to our left. All right. So then we come to boom. 1, 2. But me I color code it. 1, pretty. That's our fun subject, you know, guys. You know, sometimes I wonder, oh no, maths. What are these? So you move 1, 2, right? So that's 2 places, and then it says -5. So the fact that it says -5, oh my word, we're gonna go the opposite direction of up. So that would be, let me change the color just to show that we are mates. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one needs 5. All right. So what we did was, let me go back now. I try to draw a better line. So we're gonna draw from E to F. Right here is F, and this would be the vector. Come on, straight line, guys. I know you guys rooting for me now. Straight. Awesome. All right. So this, we move 2 places to our right and 5 down. And that is the vector from E to F. All right, let us start our next one. EF. So we're gonna have GH now. All right, so GH, let us start right here. So we have -3, -2. Let us do that. All right, so we're going to start at point G, because remember, this line means from G to H. All right, so that's what it means. G is our starting point, and we're going to go to H. However, check our X, and we're going to move based on that. Now it says -3, so we're going to move 3 places to our left. So it's 1, I can't draw this line straight, 2, 3, because it's negative, we move to our left. If it was positive, we do a very good, go to our right. So this is -3. We're at this point now, and it says -2. So y is negative, so we go, we're not going, watch out now. So we're gonna go 1, 2 places, all right? And then now this would be, so we started at G, and we are here at H. This is just the root, but the actual vector would be, and guys, check out, now if you say check out the more videos, I don't know already. Guys, I just work me up with it, if bag at talking or IT, we just have to do the work. All right, so that would be our answer. So guys, you can examine all of these vectors. There will be more. I think I'm gonna do a video on plotting coordinates. Sometimes persons are unable to plot coordinates. I will do a video on that also. All right. When I said nobody can subscribe, but I said nobody can share. We don't know the ships already. All right. So guys, basically, you know what? I'm gonna leave a homework for you guys. No, but a drawing, so we're not gonna see. I pause the video and try that one. So that's I. I'll come after IJ. Yeah. So let that be 2, -4. So let's write in the comment section. Like I say, all right, 2 to your left, 2 up, or 2 to your right, then 4 up, or whatever. Whatever it may be, you just leave that in the comment section. All right, this is Mr. Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. Let's go back for everything we do. Big up my son, Sanjay Bennett. I don't know. Son for life. Yeah. Big up yourself, my son.